Ooh, can I have the feather? It'll finish my pirate hat off nicely.
You don't want that. It brings bad luck to whoever has it.
Who says?
I don't know, but it's true.
How could a feather be bad luck?
That's what I'm wondering.
Grace! My pirate hat! It's ruined.
Oh dear, someone needs a bath.
How rude! She hurt herself.
That's her bad luck.
And we didn't have anything to do with it.
Are you okay, Pom?
Yes, but I think I'd like to get rid of this feather now.
Hi, Mayor Garth.
Hey, can I borrow that feather? This kite trophy needs a dusting before I present it later.
You don't want this. It's bad luck.
Oh, I don't believe in all that.
Oh.
There, see? Oh, hang on.
See? Bad luck.
It's just dust from the trophy.
Oh, how can I give my speech at the award ceremony if I can't stop? Oh, the trophy.
That's it. We need to do something about this feather.
I know what to do. Hide!
Oh, no.
I'm beginning to think that feather really is bad luck.
How lucky were we to find a really unlucky feather?
Oh, no!
Ooh. Phew. To think we got so much fun out of a feather we found on the ground.
I know. Those Ooly Foolies will believe anything they're told.
Mo, it was the trolls all along. There's no such thing as bad luck.
Affirmative, Alva. But the Oolies need to learn that.
They're really upset about the feather. We need to do something. I've got it! Guys, it was the trolls who planted the feather. It's not unlucky.
It's not called the frighteningly frightful feather for nothing.
They just made that name up.
Then why is it so frighteningly frightful?
Well, it's a good thing then that I stumbled across this. It's called the Surprisingly Lucky Box.
Wow, sounds lucky.
It is. Give it a try.
Huh? Yay! My kite! I wonder if it still flies.
The structural integrity is intact.
Can you tell me what that means?
It's not broken.
Yes! Here, Pom, now you try. Huh?
A sunflower.
Ooh, that's awesome. And the breeze and sun dried my hat out, too.
Whoa! That sneeze cleaned all the dust out of my nose.
That was lucky.
Surprisingly lucky.
Is it lucky? Look inside the box.
It's the feather.
Nobody move.
Whoa, wait! Has it been there all along?
Yep. The feather was only unlucky because you believed it. And the box was lucky for the same reason.
So that means good or bad luck is all about what you believe. So, I choose to believe in good luck.
Me too.
Me 3. Bye-bye, feather.